Hey guys, is InVideo AI worth paying for? This is my honest review. InVideo AI is an AI video creation tool that turns text prompts into fully edited videos with stock footage, AI voice, and subtitles. Think of it as an all-in-one script-to-video machine for content creators and marketers. Extremely fast content generation, great for Reels, YouTube Shorts, rich stock video library, plus AI voiceovers, plus auto subtitles, customizable scene, and brand kit integration, good for repurposing blog text content. The only limitation is AI voice still sound robotic at times, limited control over scene timing and transitions. The UI can lag with large scripts, and some output looks generic or templated unless heavily edited. So the free plan available with watermark, and the pay plans from $25 a month, worth it only if you make videos regularly. So final verdict, worth it only if you're producing high volumes of short form video content and don't have time for manual editing, and not ideal for long-term YouTube creators who want full creative control. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.